There once was a town that worked so hard, there was just no time for play. But that all changed on this one particular day.
The following is a transmitted message that has been requested by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration in conjunction with the United States government. Pay close attention to this podcast as it is vital for the sake of your well-being. Normal programming has been suspended indefinitely. The following is a transmitted message that has been requested by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration in conjunction with the United States government. Pay close attention to this podcast. This message has been transmitted by the North American Aeronautics and Space Administration. At 10:28 a.m. Central Standard Time, the administration has detected an asteroid which was split into 4 fragments heading towards Earth. Each fragment length is around 9 to 24 miles in diameter, and it is expected where these fragments will hit. The first fragment is believed to hit the North Atlantic Ocean near Western Europe. The second fragment is expected to hit in the South Pacific Ocean near South America. The third and fourth fragments are expected to hit in the Indian Ocean near India and Southern Africa. All residents must get to a shelter fast. These fragments are expected to hit in the next 45 to 30 minutes as of broadcasting this message. Bring essential supplies such as food, water, clothing, essential supplies, first aid kit, and a battery-powered television or radio to keep you and your loved ones updated. Evacuate as quickly as you can. Failure to do so will result in your life being in extreme danger. This message will repeat in 5 minutes.
Brace for impact. Brace for impact. The collision of the first fragment is imminent. Brace for impact. Brace for impact. The collision of the first fragment is imminent.